towards you, so. Hey, Ryu. You settle? You hear that? Bird flew. So this is the second stock day of the year. We come early. We have a nice little swath here that we hunt. It's pretty much where we hunt every stock day, and we're done pretty quickly. So we just kind of post up here, hang out, smoke a pipe, but we will hit this finger here. And the nice thing is this corner here is only good for a couple of hunters, and they've actually recently mowed all the way back and left like a gap. So this is gonna kind of split the hunters up a little bit, so we're not all clustering on each other. They just put the birds out, which is kind of stupid. We hunt because one, it's $25 license per year. You can shoot two pheasants a day. And if you have the time, some of these covers that we hunt, you can find the birds days, even months later. So we're usually really successful. We usually shoot pheasant every time we go out and hunt, just because they're either near covers of woodcock and grouse, or they share covers in the southern part of the state. She's gonna do this for the next hour.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
What the fuck is that? No, that's a fucking chipmunk. That's a squirrel.
Those were heavy feathers. I
Oh,
heard
no.
feathers. I 100% heard feathers.
That's a hen. You hear that pheasant get up? There's a hen up there. Ryu's been freaking out, dude. Any ducks?
No.
Are you talking about that little shithole there, or did you go all the way down?
No, there's like a drainage pond on the right down there, about 300 yards.
That would hold the duck?
Oh yeah.
Looks like a puddle.
It's big enough.
So anyway, Ryu's freaking out because the hen just got up.
Nice. Yeah, I looked for grouse too. I didn't see any.
I thought that was a grouse at first because the hens have that little plumage.
Yeah.
But it's not. She was doing her chirps, like help me.
Oh. They fight back in my hair. Grab my ass out.
All right, let's talk about dogs. Gil,
Yes.
what kind of dogs? There's flushers Pointers?
Pointers,
and like retrievers,
And-
which are flusher retrievers.
and multi-purpose dogs,
Yeah, utility dogs.
utility dogs. Like
So-
you can get a lab,
Retriever flushers, Chessies, Labs,
golden.
Goldens.
Poodle pointers are multi-use utility dogs. They will point, flush, and retrieve.
Ryu can do all three as well. Ryu's breed, they're traditionally super pointers, but she also retrieves, she tracks, she swims, she does everything. But she's still one of the strongest pointing breeds too. There's like pointing breeds that don't do retrievals, don't do
Griffons.
Griffons.
Yeah, it's the few that I've known. The owners have said they're not great with flushing and retrieval. Fantastic pointers.
Well, you don't want them to flush.
Well, but they're
They're also emo.
yeah.
My friend's got a somewhat late bloomer of a Griffon, so he waited a little later to get the dog bird trained, which makes it harder. Whereas I started training her on actual living birds at 4 to 6 months old. She was actually pointing, like trying to baby point pigeons, homing pigeons. Dave uses homing pigeons. Puts them in a little launcher. It's this little thing that scoops the pigeon up. And when the dog goes on point, he hits the remote control and it throws the pigeon into the air. And then his homing pigeons fly home. So it's like a renewable training resource for young dogs. And then once they start actually finding and pointing, they'll start using chucker. But anyway, long story short is she's a fucking monster. Ryu, I love you. I love you. Hi. Good girl. Good girl.
Hey, that first,
So yeah, when we go for kickoff, we're gonna go right into this fucking field behind us, and we're just gonna push straight. 15 feet apart.
yeah.
We'll walk it tight because there isn't really a breeze. So she's gonna have to be up on the birds today. All right, I kind of want to go now.
All right.
All right, let's get in position. Oh, you're a dick. Little mean motherfucker. You'll walk 6 feet in.
Yep.
I'll walk 15 feet there.
Yep.
They kept hiding around those thick shit too last time. Let me know 59 and a half. You ready?
10 seconds. Walk.
Yep. Hunt him up. By the bird. The breeze is kind of coming from this direction, so that's good. Get birdie. Hunt it up. Move more that way. What the fuck are all these birds? There's fucking no birds in this field. I think we'll start circling back and double back on our path. Right up front. Yeah, they're all in that fucking hole over there. Yeah, Ryu, come on. Let's hit this path back. There's literally nothing in that field. Yeah. So far, they're all over here. Yeah. Gil? Yeah. Don't shoot a truck. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Stay back.
Whoa. Find the bird. Gil.
I'm coming.
You want to push it?
Yeah,
You get a
I'm
line
pushing out towards you.
Back up. Whoa. Gonna fly either left or towards me. Walk towards her. It might be behind you. Track.
Working. She was on it.
Ryu, here! Ryu, here! Ryu, right here. Right here. Stay. Good girl. Just throw it in there.
Yeah.
She was chasing it.
Yeah.
I can tell her body language. Whoa. Gil,
Yeah.
I'll push in, you go out here.
Yeah.
Whoa. She's right in front of me, Gil. Do you see her?
I see her.
All right, I'm gonna push in. Get ready. Where is she?
To your 1 o'clock.
She's right in front of me. Bet, hunt it up. Track, track. I bet we pushed it into this finger, Gil.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard a cluck.
Okay. Heard it.
Track. Gil, she's like in this corner. Go! It's hurt. I hit it on its way out. I didn't cheek weld enough. Well, trust the dog. That was the one we were pushing. You saw it went flow down, right? It's thick over there, but she'll find it. Finally hunting, dude. I knew she was in that little pocket, man. Where's the bird? Track. Get ready. Find the bird. Ryu.
Oh, she got it. She got it.
Oh, it must have died. Good girl.
Girl.
Did
Girl.
she bring it to you? Yeah, that was that little guy we whacked.
Yeah. Yes. See where I hit it?
Yeah, I saw that tuft come up.
And that's, I think, where you...
Oh, fuck, dude, it got hit harder than we thought. Or is it Ryu?
I don't know. But...
Need help?
Yeah.
Okay, Ryu, come on.
Had to work for it today. That was good. That was a good track.
Man, she tracked it all over there. I mean, that's dog work.
She knew where it landed and she fell.
She tracked, she pushed it around there.
Yeah.
She got on point again. We flushed it because she was on point, held. Then we shot it and she was able to track down the corpse.